The secluded haven of Anacapa, a modern guest house nestled amidst the pristine coastal landscape of California, stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of human habitation and ecological preservation. Perched on a steep hillside within a wildlife preserve, the residence is a masterpiece of sustainable design, seamlessly blending into its natural surroundings. Clad in a low-profile design and crowned with a verdant green roof, the guest house offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean and the rolling hills beyond. Expansive sliding glass doors and cantilevered decks invite residents to immerse themselves in the stunning vistas, while minimizing the visual impact on the delicate ecosystem. An unwavering commitment to environmental responsibility guided every phase of the design and construction process. Anacapa and Wilson Design embraced green building practices, resulting in a home powered entirely by a photovoltaic energy system. Energy-efficient LED lighting and low-usage appliances further reduced the home's environmental footprint. A private well and water treatment system ensure a sustainable water supply, while a septic tank and dry well handle wastewater disposal. The home's innovative design incorporates a combination of radiant floor heating, cross-ventilation, and an insulating green roof to regulate interior temperatures. The green roof not only enhances the home's aesthetic appeal but also contributes to water conservation and reduces the urban heat island effect. The material palette of the guest house reflects its minimalist aesthetic and its integration with the natural landscape. Steel, concrete, and glass form the foundation of the structure, while rich walnut accents and custom furnishings add warmth and character to the interior spaces. The detached garage, discreetly nestled into the hillside, further complements the home's harmonious relationship with its surroundings. Anacapa stands as a beacon of sustainable living, demonstrating that responsible development can coexist with ecological preservation. By embracing innovative design and sustainable technologies, this off-grid guest house offers a glimpse into the future of environmentally conscious architecture.